Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. PE film wrapping machine is known as full-site EPS block packaging machine. It's a customized packaging machine designed for the EPS expanded polystyrene block. In this video, you will see EPS cutting line including the EPS film wrapping machine. It supports multiple lengths, 500 mm, 1000 mm, and 2000 mm. The packaging speed is about 12 to 15 seconds per package. Now let's see the full test video. For more information about EPS cutting line, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. I'll see you next video.